Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school laptop at home. First, ensure your laptop is fully charged or connected to power. Then, connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. You'll need a strong, stable connection for optimal performance. Finally, log in using your unique school-provided username and password. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, allowing you to access all your educational resources without interruption. Make sure your internet connection is reliable. Once logged in, you'll want to access your school's online resources. Many schools require a virtual private network, or VPN, for secure access to internal networks. Be sure to connect if prompted. Navigate to your learning management system, such as Canvas or Google Classroom, to find assignments and materials. You can then download or stream any necessary applications or files directly to your device, ensuring you have everything needed for your studies. Maintaining your school laptop properly is key to its longevity and performance. Regularly update the operating system and any antivirus software to protect against security threats. Store the laptop in a safe, dry environment, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures, which can damage components. If you encounter any technical problems, such as a slow connection or software glitches, report them immediately to your school's IT department for assistance. To ensure a positive experience, follow a few best practices. Avoid installing any unauthorized software or games, as this can compromise security and performance. While the laptop is primarily for school, consider backing up any important personal files to a cloud service or external drive. Remember, this device is school property, and its use is subject to your school's policies, so always use it responsibly and respectfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.